Hi everyone, I am MD SHAMRAT MIAH. Today I'm going to show you how can we configure our Radius server. So for this Radius server configuration with a protocol WPA2 Enterprise, I'm going to show you everything, every point. So at first we have to take a router, home router, uh, from our wireless option. This is our home router, and we need a server. So one thing we have to keep remember that in here the router should be act like a client, and the server is always serving with its own nature. So I have to make a connection in here, so from here to here, and I have to select gigabit Ethernet connection from here because we are using home router in here. So after this I have to make configuration on our server. So from desktop so we have to go we have to go IP configuration options from here, and need to DHCP protocol because we are using home router. So home router has its own DHCP protocol, so it shouldn't be, so it don't need to be we don't need to be make any static IP because we have an option with DHCP by router. So we are using the DHCP, so we have in here our server's IP address from here. So I'm just writing on here just a second please. Okay, so my server IP is 169.254. Sorry, it should be 192 dot 168 dot and 0 dot 1 0 100, and it's a default gateway, I mean our home router's IP address. So gateway in here, 192.168.0.1. So this is our gateway for our server. So we don't need this configuration for our server now. So at this moment we have to go on our router. Okay, this is our router, so I'm going to the UI. From here I am doing something from here. My IP address is this, yeah, 192. So I need to in here top this, so that's why it will be pin up, top up always on my page. So for my good understand, I'm just writing my router's IP, one nine two dot 168.0.1. That's all. Yes. And from here I have to configuration something else. So I have to go wireless, and from wireless my router network name should be spider PC or something else what I like, but I don't like default because sometimes default word confused me. So I'm writing in here spider PC, and it's enabled. I don't need to enable any more SSID from my router. So just doing save settings from here, and if I go on security from here, okay, no need to go security, just wireless security from here. So I need to WPA2 enterprise. Okay, so from here, here's the encryption mode, AES and TKIP, but I like to advanced encryption system, so I am choosing now AES, and various server IP address should be declared in here, 192 and 168 and 0.100 from here. Yep, that's all from here, and we need to save settings. Yep, so now we have to take our wireless device, which one we are selecting. I think it will laptop or smartphone. From here I'm taking a laptop. Okay, but I'm doing a quick check from here. Okay, so this is my wireless, yeah, Spider PC, that's okay, and wireless security. Okay, but what was the problem from here? Yeah, a system reduce server. What was that problem on here? Before, when I did, there was something wrong, I think. 168 0.100. Okay, that was, this is my radius server. Okay, and where is my options for save settings? Shared key should constant alphanumeric characters. What does mean that? So from here, from here, oh yeah, with this register server IP, we have to declare secret, our password 123456789 and 0. Yes, we have to declare our password too. So after that, we have to save settings. After save settings, we are taking our laptop already. Okay, so on this laptop, we need to configure something, which we have to change this port. Just a second, please. Yep, we need to turn off this laptop and take out this port. No need to that port. We need to configure in here wireless port and again turn on. So after this, we are, yep, we have a connection in here now. And after this, I'm going on laptop, then going to my Then I going to from here configuration with something like as PC wireless, and from here I'm going to connect from here, and we will able to see our router Wi-Fi Spider PC. Okay, so from now here okay, with WPT protocol, WP2 enterprise protocol, so we need to make our a profile if we want to connect this laptop, if we want to connect this laptop to this server. So we have to use a profile. So here is it is for connection, it is saying to us that please go to profile tab to create a new profile to complete the connection. Please go to the profiles tab to create a new profile to complete the connections. Okay, we have to make a profiles. Okay, so from here profiles, here is profile default, wireless network is default. Okay, no problem, we have to edit this. And for this edit we have to go advanced setup. We have to declare our right name from here. Oh, sorry, that was within capital letter spider PC. We have to remember one thing, that this network name always should be same what we already declared on our router. So spider PC, then obtain network settings automatically DSCP. Yes, it should be DSCP because we declared DSCP to our server and also this laptop, so it should be on DSCP protocol. Then security level should be WPT enterprise. We selected this security algorithm on our server. Then we have to declare, sorry, this WPA2 enterprise was we selected this security algorithm on our router. It will be applicable for our server and our laptop too. So next, so from here we don't need to do anything, but oh, here we have to do something, WPA2 enterprise. Okay, so if we didn't forget that, we should remember that on server I think on server we have to give our login and password name. Just a second please, I'm going on my server, going again IP configuration, services. Okay, from our server I have to declare AAA, and this AAA server is now off. So for radius server configuration with WPA2 security algorithm, we have to on this always, we have to write in here our client name, client ID. So our client name is Spider PC, because before I starting this video I told you that we have our server in here, and this router will act like as a client, and this laptop is also a client. Okay, so client name is Spider PC, client IP, so our router IP is 192.168.0.1, and here should be a password what we already declared on our server. That was 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Sorry, this password we declared on our router, not server. I am doing this mistake every time now. Server type is radius. Yeah, server type is radius. So we have to be click on here add. So from here on our server, we just add our clients information. Clients means our router information, our router frequency name, our router's IP address, and this current server type should be radius, and a secret password what we already make on our router, that was 122.123.456.7890. So from here, user setup. So user setup should be for our laptop. Okay, so our client is our client is our router, and our laptop is our user. So username should be user1, and password is user1, same. Okay, after this, when it's complete, then we don't need this page, turn on. Yep. So after this, where was we are? Okay. So in here, we have to declare our login name, and login name and password is coming from we just declared this login name and password from our uh, server. Okay, so on our server we declared our usernames. uh, on our server we declared our login name and password for our users. So if this, I'm showing you this again, if this laptop, if this user want to use this server with a request, that time this laptop will use this home router, and this home router help this laptop to get access from this server. So this home router will act like as a client, and this laptop will act as a user. So this client will help this user get access on this server, and server will serve to this laptop through with this client, I mean router. So I think your basic will be now concept is now concept fully. So when this laptop went to access this server, that time this laptop need authentication. So we already get our user name and user password, so this laptop need to know those information, and this laptop have to access this server with those password and username information. So I am going to use those username and password, and then I'm going to click on next, and after doing next I have to save these things, and congratulations, your profile has been successfully configured. Okay, after coming this congratulations notification, I have to click on connect to network. Okay, then so I created just now a new profile, so my laptop connection is laptop to router connection is removed now. There is no connection between router and laptop. Okay, so if my laptop want to get frequency from this router, then we need to connect now. So for this connection, we have to click on connect, then we need to click on spider and connect in here. Okay, no problem, not like this anyway. So we have to click on, yes, we have to click on here, profiles, and when we click on here, because from our profiles we are able to see our new profiles, and when we get this profile default wireless network name spider PC, then we can click on here connect, and when we click on here connect, this laptop will get a connection with our new configuration, new profile. So after this, if we if this laptop, before I do anything, I want to save this file. Yep, this file is a radius server configuration. Yep, so I'm saving this. Okay, now if this laptop want to get any access with this server, then we can do that. Here is a data packet, and this data packet will go through this client from this router to our server. So this server to here. Okay, so if we on our simulations from here, then yeah, the packet data is going to router. Yes, router is checking, then router is sending the request to server, and server will give to my laptop with right information. Like this way we can do our radius server configuration. We can do our radius server configuration. So for this radius server configuration, we always keep in mind that our router will send a request for access for every users to our server, and server will serve, router will act like is a client, and laptop is a users, and this laptop have to access our server's authentication username and password. Then this laptop can access with our server, and this router has has a DHCP protocol, and this DHCP protocol will have to fix a DHCP IP on our server. This server is a radius server, and 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 on this router, if I click on double click, just I am showing to you. Okay, from here. Okay, from here we have to declare from here our WPA2 enterprise and radius servers IP. That's mean our servers IP, what is already chosen by our home router's DHCP configuration. So like this way we can easily configure our radius server very quickly. This radius server configuration is a very important thing for a company, and I think that if you practice it on your SQL server, then it will very clear concept. It will make you with a very clear concept when you try it on our virtual lab, like as a Cisco packet tracer. Thank you for this video. I think you will enjoy this video, and hope I will make one more video for one more new things. Thank you very much. Goodbye.